Hello guys, welcome back. The second project of shampoo advertisement, and now time to making motion about shampoo model and the girl photo and the labels. First, find the shampoo layer. Where is the shampoo layer? This one is the shampoo layer, and we have 5 seconds for the motion graphics. Start from 0 frame, press Ctrl by mouse click. You can change the times. If you want to control your motion graphics by time code, press Ctrl with mouse click. If you want to work your motion graphics frame by frame, then click again. And now press P, stop motion, and select the shampoo layer, move it right, and press page down for the frame by frame playing like this. The best motion time is for the shampoo is 15 frames, and select the layer, move the shampoo by mouse, and turn on the motion blur switch. And now you can test. Turn on the solo button, play. Okay, time to make motion for the footage. This one is for footage. And now I want to make motion the footage different. Like what? The footage must come behind the shampoo bottle. And now I need masking. Like what? Create a new solid and name it footage mask. Change the color, press OK, and turn off, and select the pen tool and select the footage mask. Like this. And now you must combine the masking by track mattes. Press F4 on keyboard, and there is track mattes, and move your mask layer top of shampoo, and move down on footage, and select the track matte, alpha matte. Okay, cancel again, down the footage, select track matte, alpha matte, invert, luma matte, select your footage, move by arrow keys, and check again, change no track matte, select the footage and change alpha matte. This one is good. Okay, and now when the shampoo is coming on scene, after this frame, press P for position, move your footage layer composition, there, and turn on the motion blur effect. And now test shampoo layer, footage, render, okay. Time to making motion for the stroke. This stroke, double click on your footage composition and select the shape layer, and open, go to add trim paths. Okay, go to 15 frames and you can make motion like this. This one is good. Stopwatch offset and go to end time codes 5 seconds and move this one. Go back to your main composition and play. Okay, what is the next motion for the layer? Labels. There I have 1 2 3 4 shape, and select all of them and right click, pre-compose, name it label, press enter. After footage motion graphics, it means after 1 second time the label must be coming. Select the yellow big rectangle and select your anchor point tool and move center left point. And now press S for scale, turn off the link and change it to 0. Stopwatch, go to 5 frames, 100, 1 2 3, change it 95, 1 2 3, change again hundreds for bouncy motion. Okay, now time to making motion for this shape. Press S and move the anchor point left point there. Turn off, select your scale, press Ctrl C for copy and Ctrl V for paste. Again, select another one, anchor point tool, and press S for scale, turn off the link and change it to 0. Stopwatch, in 5 frames change 100% and 1 2 3, in 3 frames 95, 1 2 3, in 3 frames 100 again, and the last one make the same motion. Press S, turn off the link, change 0. Stopwatch, in 5 frames 100, okay, time to pre-render and turn on the motion blur effect and play. Okay, select your title and go back to effect and presets. Right there 3D, and there is a lot of motion for your text. Double click and play. double click, play. This one is good. And press U for the keyframes. In 1 second your text is motion must be complete. And go back to Shampoo TVC, your main composition. And now time to making motion for the 25%. Zoom in and select the shape, press Ctrl and right click, pre-compose 25, press enter and move this one here. Press S for the scale. Double click, select the shape layer, press Ctrl Alt plus Home button on keyboard for move your anchor point to center of shape, and press S. Stopwatch your scale and change to 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Play now and select your text, press S, change to 0, stopwatch, move to 5 seconds, press Ctrl Alt plus Home, press R for rotation, okay. Our final motion graphics of this advertisement is 3 seconds. And now turn on all of your motion graphics effects and render. Any questions? Thank you for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe the channel for supporting us. See you next time.